Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. And we are live here at the PSC Conference Hall inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. And this morning, we will be having these beautiful girls, these very talented girls, na ngayon po ay, sila po ang talk of the town dahil sila po ay nag-improve sa FIBA Division A. Magandang umaga po. Ang topic for the day, women's basketball. I'm Radical Wag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Yes, good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. We welcome you to another interesting forum here at the PSC building, Conference Hall, ground floor of our Philippine Sports Commission building. And hope that you are with us through our live streaming at PSA Facebook page, that's Philippine Sports Writers Association, and likewise on a delayed basis of Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating paling sports radio 918 kHz on the AM band. Judith Karingal po.
Bago ang lahat, partner, nais nating pasalamatan ng ating sponsors in behalf of our PSC President Nelson Beltran of the Philippine Star. Ayun po siya, kasama natin. Salamat po, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Smart PLDT, Milo Philippines, and Arena Plus.
And yes, to talk about the successful journey of our Gilas Pilipinas girls. Before they competed in 2 international competitions, they were with us. They graced our PSA forum, and right after the competitions, they are back now as champions, Division B of the FIBA under 18 girls Asia Cup po yan. So we have Gilas Pilipinas, led by our coaches. Una-muna si Coach Pat Aquino, our Gilas Pilipinas national team. And then we have the girls mentor, Coach Julie Amos. Welcome once again to the PSA Forum. And we have 2 senior members of the team, Team Captain Ava Fajardo. Hi, Ava. And then 1 senior member na si Naomi Pangariban. Welcome to the program and the rest of the girls. So, Coach Julie will be the one to introduce the champions, itong talented and champion girls. Yes, Coach Julie, good morning po.
Okay, we have 12 players na talagang very energized. I'll start first with our point guards. She is from Cebu, member of NU player. Tawag namin sa kanya magician. Siya yung pinakamaliit pero talagang nakakapuwing pagdating sa game. Aubrey Pangariban. Aubrey Lapasaran.
Asan siya? Asan?
Okay, another one. Ito naman, isa sa mga local talents natin from CDO. Same thing. Shooter outside, slasher inside, matapang sa loob. Kamali na naman ang mabanggit ng pangalan. Saan na siya? Margaret Villanueva.
Yeah.
So she has been consistent there. Another consistent shooter from our team. Mabilis. Pinakamagaling sa anticipation ng mga love passes. She can attack. From Belgium, we have Sofia Canindo.
Yeah.
So next is from Australia, Sydney. She is a little bit nakakalito kasi she can play up, she can play low, she can pressure, she can take shots. We have Joe Impreso. Another one from Australia, ang tawag sa kanya during our finals, she's Stephen Curry, where she was able to make a lot of threes during that game. But what we like about her is her defensive specialist, and she was able to gain more confidence on her shot. From Melbourne, we have Eliza Rodriguez. And she's one of the youngest of our team. If right now she was able to compete in 18 and under, she will be playing again for 2 more divisions. qualified for 16 under 6 next year. She's only 13 years old. When she's inside, hindi niyo pipigilan yan kasi titira-titira yan at papasok at papasok. Local talent, we have Tiffany Reyes. Another one from from Marikina. Okay, and when we got her, utility player, she gets rebounds all the time. Her name is Ashley Abo. Also a member of NU. And a local talent from UST, palagi namin yan sinisigawan pagdating sa loob. Ready to shoot all the time, playing defense. We have Venice Rose, Kite. Okay. Ito yung isa sa mga good projects na ginawa ng SPB. When we went to Cagayan de Oro, she was one of the local talents, hidden talents that we were able to see. A very promising player, offensively and defensively. Basta't pag tumira yan, ilista mo na. Margaret Dueña. Okay, next question mo ulit,
Okay, so
another one is Gabby. Gabby Ramos is a former player, also from under 16. Gabby, very efficient, very dependable player. Big man, I mean small man siya pero turning to big man right now. Gabby Ramos. And of course, we have two players beside me. Sila yung mga team leaders natin from point guards into being leadership outside the court and inside the court. One funny girl, we call it syempre secret. Her name is Naomi Pangaliba. And our team captain, Ava Fajardo. That's the composition of the team.
Yeah.